All right, if you're looking at engineering colleges for 2026 and Tiruchirappalli is on your list, then you've got to know about CARE College of Engineering. Its TNEA code is 3841. Let's jump right in and see what it's all about.
So, first things first, what really tells you about the quality of a college? Well, it's got to be the credentials, right? Let's take a look at the big ones for CARE, the ratings and approvals that really matter.
And boom, right away, a huge one. The college has a NAC A grade. That's a big deal. And you know what makes it even more impressive? They nailed this in their very first go-around, back in 2022. That really says something.
But wait, there's more. It's not just the NAC grade. We've also got the NBA, that's the National Board of Accreditation, giving a thumbs up to 3 of their key engineering departments.
So you're probably wondering, which programs are we talking about? Well, we've got computer science and engineering, electronics and communication, and of course, mechanical engineering. And this isn't some old accreditation, it's valid all the way until June 2027. So that's solid.
Okay, now this next one, this is a real game changer. Just this year, 2024, the college got autonomous status from the UGC. Now, why is that such a big deal for you as a student? Simple. It means the college can update its syllabus faster, stay current with industry trends, and handle its own exams. That kind of flexibility is a massive plus.
All right, so with credentials like these, you'd expect some great programs, right? Let's dive into exactly what engineering branches you can study at CARE.
Okay, let's look at the numbers. In total, you've got 420 seats here, spread across 6 different branches. What I find really cool is the mix. You've got your solid core branches like civil and mechanical. Then you've got the super popular ones, computer science and ECE. But check this out. They also have future-focused programs like AI and data science, which they started in 2020, and even a Bachelor of Design that just launched in 2024. That's a pretty forward-thinking lineup.
Okay, this is the part every parent and student is waiting for. The bottom line. What happens after the 4 years are done? Let's talk about career outcomes and placements. How does CARE stack up?
Well, according to the official data they submitted for TNE, the college reports a 90% placement rate. 90%! That's a really solid figure, and it tells you that a vast majority of students are landing jobs right out of college.
And now for the numbers everyone wants to see, the salary packages. The highest package offered was 6 lakhs per annum. The average for the batch sits at 2.4 lakhs per annum. This gives you a realistic picture of the kind of financial start you can expect.
So where are these jobs coming from? We're seeing some big names on campus. You've got the IT giants, your Wipro, TCS, Infosys, and HCL. But it's not just IT. Companies like Amazon, Aditya Birla, and HDFC also recruit from here. That's a healthy mix, which means there are opportunities across different industries.
Academics are key, placements are crucial, but you're also going to be living here for 4 years. So what's campus life actually like? Let's get into the facilities and the overall student experience.
Let's start with the basics, where you'll stay. The college does have on-campus hostels, one for boys and one for girls. Now, here's a small but important detail, especially for parents. The boys' hostel mess has both veg and non-veg options. The girls' hostel mess, on the other hand, is veg only. Good to know that up front.
And what about getting around and other campus essentials? Well, there's a bus service that covers the Tiruchirappalli area, which is super convenient. On campus, you've got Wi-Fi, a digital library for your studies, a basketball court to blow off some steam, and, importantly, a first aid center for peace of mind.
And what about financial aid? Yes, that's available. Students who are eligible can apply for various government scholarships. This includes things like the First Graduate Scholarship and the usual scholarships for SC, ST, BC, and MBC communities. To really get a feel for a place, it helps to know where it comes from. So let's rewind a bit and look at the story behind CARE College. It all started back in 2009, established by the G. Narayane Educational Trust. And for a college that's not even 2 decades old, it's hit some major milestones. Like we talked about, that NAC A grade came in 2022, and then a huge step, getting that autonomous status in 2024.
And this really tells you what they're all about. Their founding mission wasn't just to be another engineering college. The goal was, and I'm quoting here, to move away from traditional rote learning systems. Instead, they wanted to build a place focused on creativity and, most importantly, application-based learning. Basically, learning by doing. So to wrap up the profile, CARE is a self-financing autonomous college, and it's affiliated with Anna University in Chennai. Getting in? Well, 65% of the seats are filled through the government quota, TNEA counseling, and the remaining 35% are management quota. And yes, it is fully approved by AICTE for the upcoming academic year.
Just a quick note. All the details we've shared today have been gathered from the college's own website and official government portals. We put this together on April 16, 2026, to give you the most current picture we could. So there you have it, a deep dive into CARE College of Engineering. Is it the right choice for you? For more insights like this, explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.